In this lesson, we will be installing our local web server and IDE in order to create and run our PHP script. First, we need to search for VS Code and download. We will use VS Code as our IDE or integrated development environment to write PHP scripts and run on our local web server. After downloading VS Code, open it and just run the file. A window will prompt and click I accept the agreement and click next 3 times. Make sure you tick create desktop icon and click next and then install. Wait until VS Code is done installing. After installing VS Code, we will be searching for XAMPP to be installed as our local web server. Click on the first link, then XAMPP for Windows, then Save File, then wait until it's completely downloaded. Open the file, and click OK. Now click Next and check all unnecessary tools that we are not going to use. Then click Next, Next, and then uncheck all unnecessary things, then click Next and wait until it's finished. Then click Start for Apache and MySQL. When buttons start, change to stop, it simply means that Apache and MySQL is running. As you can see, our local web server is now running. Click PHP info to check the version of your PHP. You can click phpMyAdmin to create your first database. Click user accounts to create first your user account. Now, you have successfully created your username and password for your phpMyAdmin to access your MySQL. Congratulations! You have successfully installed XAMPP as your local web server and VS Code as your IDE. On the next video, we will be configuring VS Code for writing PHP scripts. See you!